to show you how to clean and maintain your oven. Self-cleaning or not, one of the first steps for your oven is going to be taking out the racks and cleaning them. For taking these out, you want to gently slide them out, and for our purposes today, I'm just going to show you right here on the oven. You can certainly clean them while they're in the oven, but you want to make sure to not ever apply too much pressure to the oven door. So we're just going to take our sponge and wipe these down initially. If they're really dirty and you have a bunch of baked on like cheese or something, then you can also use some dishwashing liquid. It's probably easiest if you do this in your sink or on a countertop. If you've got them in the sink, then you can use your regular dishwashing liquid to clean these, perhaps the scrubby side of your sponge if you have that. So you just want to make sure to get all of the gunk off of these before putting them back into what will soon be your nice clean oven.